It is true that although we live in a globalized world, the above description is not homogeneous, of course, in all regions of the world. However, whether we like or not, the very fact that we find ourselves in a global and media age erases the boundaries of immunity and spreads the same virus to even most remote and traditional places on the planet, like a cultural pandemic. How are we to act in this situation? Are there rules and the laws of any state whose duration and stability no one of us can foresee now sufficient? Can justice be imposed based on prohibitions and restrictions? Can a person be forced to act in a particular way, even a good way, even if he or she is unconvinced of its justification? The issue is too complex and must therefore be tackled from different spheres of society, in politics, in legislation, in schools and universities, in the media, etc.